Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and today I'll show you how we can put this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you want to hold power button and volume up at the same time, and then select power off. When the device turns off, hold power button and volume down. There we go. So it looks like you do need to give it some solid 10-20 seconds for the device to actually turn off. Flagship grade device taking literally half a minute to actually turn off is a bit absurd. And it's a bit more harder for you to know if it's off because it doesn't really vibrate when it's fully off. Nor can you see it on the screen being lit up because it's an AMOLED display. So anyway, if you're not booting up right away after holding power button and volume down, just give it solid like 10-20 seconds and then start to hold the buttons again, and it should eventually enter this mode. So this is our Fastboot mode, and in here you'll need to use volume buttons to navigate through the options, which will be showing up one by one right here where start is right now. If we scroll down, we have also restart bootloader, which will actually take us back here. This is labeled as Fastboot mode, but it's also a bootloader. Next we have recovery mode, rescue mode, barcode, power off, and we're back to start. So I'm going to confirm that, and if I didn't mention, you confirm each one of these options using your power button. So just press it, and this will now bring me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.